Okay, guys, so I can tell that a lot of you need a refresher course on how to use Easybib, so I'm going to walk you through two ways on how to do that. We are going to look at the easy way, and we're going to look at the more challenging way because it involves more steps. But the easiest way, and I will have to do this by showing you to add this add-on, okay? So you're going to go to your documents on Google Drive or on Google Docs, and you're going to type in, or first you're going to click on add-on, okay? And I already have the add-on, but I'm going to delete it so that you can see how to download it. Okay, so if I go to manage, and I'm going to remove it. Okay, so you will see it like this. You type Easybib into this little window, and then you're just going to download it for free. Okay, it's going to ask you this information, and you just allow the access for it to access that information. All right, from here, we can then click add-ons again, and we're going to click Easybib Bibliography Creator, and we're just going to hit Manage Bib. Okay, now from here, notice the page is blank. There's absolutely nothing on it, and it's not in the format that we want. We want APA, not MLA. So I'm going to click on this pull-down tab, and I'm going to hit APA. Okay. Now, I am choosing research about HIV. So this is the website that I've used some information from, and it's just one website, notice. I can use others. But from here, I'm just going to click on the name of the website, copy that, go back to my document, and in this little window, I'm going to paste the name of the website. And I have to make sure that it is on website before I do that. So click this tab, website, and then paste the name of the website. When you hit search, it should bring that up. So here it is, right here. I'm going to hit select. Okay, and look at this. It just created that citation. I have done it before to practice with it, but all I'm going to do is choose one of them, and I will click Add Bibliography to Doc. And look at that. It creates the properly formatted citation directly onto my paper. I don't have to worry about adjusting the font or the text size or the paragraph spacing, and that is the most simple way to create the references page. Also, make sure that you have a title. So references, and we want to put infectious disease project, if I could spell. There we go. Okay, so that is the easiest way I have found. The more challenging way, or the one that involves more steps, could be to actually go to your Easybib account. So I just went to easybib.com, and I signed in. That's my first name, for those of you that do not know. So I'm going to start a new project, and we know that that's the name of the project, and we want it to be, again, in APA format. So we're going to make sure that that says the style that we need. Then we hit create, and now I want to click on bibliography. Okay, so click on that, and from here, this is the bar that you would be copying the names of the websites you're using. So again, go to the website that you're using information from, copy, paste, and then you just hit cite it. Now, when you scroll down, it should be right here. You hit cite this, and here's what they were able to find from looking through the website for you. The only thing that we still need to enter are the authors. And please take note of this suggested rating. So Easybib even tells you that they believe this site is credible. Always make sure that you pay attention to that. And if it does not look credible, make sure you're using another website because you want to have legit information. Okay, so we're going to hit continue to the final step. Now from here, notice it was still asking us for author information. Now because this source is the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, the CDC, this article may not have one specific author. So we have to check through the website to see if we can find a specific author. Usually that would be towards the bottom. If not, we know the organization, okay? So we're going to go here, and where it says, leave that as author, where it says last/corp, that stands for corporation, or that's the organization type of thing that you put in there. So we can just put Center for Disease Control and Prevention, okay? And that's all you're going to leave there. Then you have Create Citation. And voila, there it is right there. So that would be the citation. Now, from this point, we can then begin to generate our works cited page, or in this case, since it's APA, it's a references page. So I'm going to check off this box, and I'm going to hit export. And since I use Google Docs the most, I would hit save to Google Docs. Okay. Now it'll say file successfully uploaded. So when I go to my Google Docs from that link, there it is. All right, and this is a completely separate references sheet from the one I showed you to begin with, because this one we were using the shortcut way with the Google Doc add-on. This one, like I said, had more steps, but it also gives you the same result. So please feel free to use whichever method is easiest for you, and I hope that that helps you with creating your references page that I expect you all to have when you submit your project.